Hi everyone, this is Gia and you're watching Gia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a girl face hidden with hat for beginners. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. Step 1. First at all, draw the basic measurements like this. Make sure you have to point all the points. Now attach the upper 2 points. Now attach these 2 points also. Follow me step by step for more perfection. Now point at 2.5 cm. Now attach this point with the line. Now mark these points for shoulder shape. Now round the corners and make shoulder line. Now draw neckline. Now finally erase the measurements. Now I am gonna draw her face features. First at all, draw her nose. Now draw lip line. Also draw lip shape. Now draw her neck bone lines. First step is done. Let's move on second step. Now start shading from her nose. Also shade the left side. Now shade the neck from right side. Now shade the bone lines.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you.
Second step is done. Let's move on third step.
Love how it hurts.
Now blend the shading with blending stump.
Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Now using small blending brush and again blend for softness. Now using charcoal powder and add some in her neck part. If you don't know how to make charcoal powder, then check the description box for the video link. Just take small amount of powder.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go. And they
Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step.
tell me why it is about you that I
Now I am using red color for her lips.
walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now colored her hat ribbon with red color.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. Now I am using soft charcoal pencil and color the hat.
Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I?
Again blend it. Again colored it. Again blend it. Also color her dress. Now shape her hat with black pointer. Now using white jelly roll pen and make a cut crease line on her hat. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.